We're very happy to introduce you today to the CLC family of clinical chemistry analyzers. These instruments were designed to be easy to use, accurate, speedy, and economical. Compared to most analyzers in their classes, the CLC family uses less space, less water, less reagent, less electricity, and fewer consumables. And CLC family analyzers generally have lower consumables cost and require far less maintenance than their competitors. Speak to your CLC rep for a head-to-head comparison. The CLC family is so cost-effective, you can often run 2 CLC analyzers for the same price as a competitor in the same space, meeting your throughput requirements while also having a backup. All members of the CLC family are stat-capable, share the same photometer, and share the same barcoded reagent wedge. All can be installed with an affordable deionized water system or integrated into existing systems. They can remain in standby mode 24 hours a day, so they're always ready to go. These analyzers utilize a bidirectional interface with host query. That means that your sample tubes can be barcoded to include patient information and the tests to be run. Barcodes can eliminate load lists and instrument programming, reducing operator time and human error. Once the operator loads the samples, the instrument is programmed and ready to go. Once running, the reagent probe picks up the reagent from the reagent wheel and adds it to the reaction cuvette. The sample probe picks up the sample and adds that to the reaction cuvette. There, they are mixed and incubated at 37 degrees Celsius. The sample is measured at the correct wavelength and optimal time, and the results are calculated and output as an easy-to-read chartable report direct to printer, LIS, or both. Let's take a look at each member of the family. At up to 400 tests per hour, the CLC 800 is the smallest floor model in the CLC family. Like all members of the family, it is an open system that supports discrete, random access, batch, and stat modes. The CLC 800 can support assays that utilize up to 4-part reagents, making it ideal for research labs and esoteric tests. The sample wheel supports 115 sample positions. The 2 reagent wheels total 88 positions, with 2 other positions to support sample pretreatment. The reaction wheel holds 120 permanent quartz cuvettes. With over 27 moderate complexity general chemistry assays, the CLC 800 is an exceptional choice for clinical laboratories in large group practices, clinics, and small to mid-sized hospitals. Next up is the CLC 1600. Like its smaller sibling, the CLC 1600 is an open system that supports discrete, random access, batch, and stat modes. It too can support assays that utilize up to 4-part reagents. Of course, with greater size comes greater speed and capacity. The CLC 1600 boasts up to 900 tests per hour. The sample wheel supports 140 sample positions. The CLC 1600 also has 2 reagent wheels, but it offers a total of 132 reagent positions. The reaction wheel holds 160 permanent quartz cuvettes. Like its smaller sibling, the CLC 1600 also has a menu of over 27 moderate complexity general chemistry assays. The CLC 1600 is well suited for clinical laboratories in mid-size and large hospitals, as well as reference laboratories. The parent of the CLC family is the CLC 6410, a modular analyzer that uses sample trays on tracks for continuous workflow. Even with just one module, the CLC 6410 has impressive throughput, turning out up to 1,600 tests per hour, maxing out at 6,400 tests per hour with 4 modules. Like the others, the CLC 6410 is an open system that can run discrete, random access, batch, and stat. The large capacity sample loader offers flexible capacity and 3 lanes for immediate reruns and stats. Each chemistry module supports 134 reagent positions and 330 reaction cuvettes. The CLC 6410 is truly impressive, suitable for high-volume clinical laboratories in large hospitals and particularly in independent reference laboratories. The CLC 800, CLC 1600, and CLC 6410 all utilize easy-to-use software, onboard temperature control, high-efficiency automatic cleaning, automatic clot detection, liquid level sensing, and permanent quartz reaction cuvettes that can save thousands in consumables cost. They use barcoded sample tubes and a shared barcoded reagent wedge format to streamline operation. Designed for ease of use, accuracy, speed, economy, and reliability, maintenance is also kept to a minimum. While it's easy to see that these are all great analyzers, don't forget that they're all backed by a company with an exemplary reputation for after-sales support. Your purchase of a CLC 800, 1600, or 6410 includes installation, training, validation assistance, superior on-site service, hotline support, and a 1-year warranty. And you can extend your coverage with cost-effective service contracts. Carolina Liquid Chemistries is a company that has been 100% dedicated to clinical chemistry analyzers for over 25 years. We are committed to providing the highest level of customer service in this industry. We invite you to be our guest. Put us to the test. We look forward to serving you.
The DZ-Lite C270 is an innovative compact analyzer with a large reagent menu, photometric open system, ease of maintenance, bidirectional interface, and a small footprint. With one of the largest menus of any clinical chemistry analyzer on the market today, the DZ-Lite C270 is a general chemistry analyzer and special chemistry analyzer in one, making it incredibly versatile. For example, a large hospital can use it for special chemistries such as LP-PLA2, procalcitonin, or kappa-lambda light chains, while having it as a backup for general chemistries. Its comprehensive menu provides operational efficiencies for a small or rural hospital, and the price point makes it affordable to have as a backup analyzer. Group practices such as oncologists, rheumatologists, and cardiologists with clinical laboratories can improve patient care by offering faster time to results by running tests in their practice. Plus, it's easy to operate with minimal maintenance. Utilizing a variety of sample types and sample tubes, the DZ-Lite C270 allows for positive sample identification. The sample is placed in the 30-position sample tray with stat capability and liquid level sensing. The reagent probe picks up the reagent from the 36-position reagent tray and places it in one of the optical reaction cells, which measures light absorption. Then the sample probe adds the sample to the reaction cell. The sample and reagent react, and the analyzer measures light absorption post-reaction. Once the test is completed, the DZ-Lite C270 produces a chartable report. Results can also be routed to an LIS. Let's talk about the reagents. Over 45 moderate complexity assays are already available for the DZ-Lite C270. It supports 1, 2, 3, and 4-part reagents. Open channels are also available. Carolina Liquid Chemistries. For over 25 years, laboratories all over the United States have trusted us as their instrument, reagent, and service provider. We provide installation, training, and validation assistance as part of your instrument purchase. We offer affordable service agreement options and hotline support for our customers at no additional cost. Carolina Liquid Chemistries is committed to providing the highest level of customer service in this industry. We invite you to be our guest. Put us to the test. We look forward to serving you.
The EasyRA is truly the best moderately complex benchtop clinical chemistry analyzer on the market today. It's easy to learn, easy to operate, and easy to maintain. Utilizing a variety of sample types and sample tubes, the EasyRA allows for positive sample identification through positional IDs or the use of a barcode. The sample is placed in a 24-position sample wheel, including stat positions. The sampling probe picks up the reagent from the 24-position reagent wheel and adds it to the reaction cuvette, where it incubates at 37 degrees Celsius. Then the sampling probe adds the sample to the reaction cuvette. They are mixed, and once the test is completed, the EasyRA produces a chartable result. Results can also be routed to an LIS. Let's talk about the reagents. The EasyRA reagents are liquid, ready to use, and utilize the latest RFID technology. The EasyRA automatically tracks the reagent information such as chemistry name, lot number, and the expiration date. What this means to you? If the manufacturer changes the parameters or set points, you don't have to manually enter these yourself. Open channels are also available. Carolina Liquid Chemistries is a company that has been 100% dedicated to clinical chemistry for over 25 years. We are committed to providing the highest level of customer service in this industry. We invite you to be our guest. Put us to the test. We look forward to serving you.